want to have a look at how you measure ice thickness. How I measure it is I ask someone that's professional doing it. I don't trust myself. I want someone that has been doing it for many years and really can grasp the ice and how it works. So you can go to your local bait shop or lakeside resort, ask them about the conditions, and you want to make sure that you check the ice thickness every 150 feet. I don't know, I check it every foot. I'd be like, are you okay over there? Can I step? Slowly, right? Always stresses me out. What you do is you create a hole in the ice. There's various ways you can do that. And then you put a measuring tape in the hole and hook it on the bottom edge of the ice for an accurate measurement. And you might be surprised how much ice you really need. You need 4 inches of ice to skate, walk, or go ice fishing. How about if you want a snowmobile? You need at least 5 inches. I was surprised that it's only an inch difference between those two because I feel like these snowmobiles are pretty heavy, but again, what do I know? 8 inches for a car. Again, I feel like I need like 45 inches for a car, but this is just my paranoia on these, going out on the ice. But a truck, a medium truck, 12 to 15 inches. And remember, it's just for one car. We have seen 3, 4, 5 cars or more, and they're all parked next to each other, and the ice has literally collapsed, and all the vehicles go in the water. It's pretty brutal. Right now, our lake effect is really low, 0.16%. That's well below average, and that means we could see more lake effect snow.